Welcome back to Retire Too Soon, and today we're going to be changing out the blinker fluid. I mean the blinker. Welcome back, and if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. This channel, I try to do a lot of different things, working on my second gen Cummins, stuff around Alaska, stuff around the house, even down to 10-hour-long videos to help you sleep. So please subscribe. I'm going to show you how to change the turn signal on a second gen Cummins. What you're going to need is a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Come to the corner. If you look right down here, just underneath the housing, you're going to see the Phillips head. Undo that screw, and then you're going to pull it straight out. Alright, hopefully you didn't do what I just did and drop the screw into the snow. Alright, so take it, pull it straight out, and then there's going to be the LiPo housing there. Alright, so you need to rotate it so it gets out. Let me see it. So if you're on the passenger side, take the light housing and you twist it towards the vehicle, so away from you. And this, just pull it straight out. And that's what we're replacing. This one is a dual. You have your turn signal and your parking lights. On mine, the parking light was out, but the turn signal still worked. Alright, with the new one, just push it back in. Wear gloves so you don't get your oils on your hand on the glass so it doesn't break. Make it last longer. On here, you slide it straight in. There's 4 places. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just line them up after you put the new light bulb back in the housing. Alright, so I got the back one lined up, and then you just slide it in. And it lines up, oops, sorry it's blurry. It lines up back where the screw hole goes in, and just put the screw back in. So I'll try to do it one more time. So take it out. See, there's a little, see, there's that part right there. You line it up with the tab. And then alright, check it, make sure it's secured. Make sure the light works. That's my parking lights. And there's my turn signal. Well, there you go. How to replace the turn signal parking light on a second gen Cummins. And this is a 2000. So, hope you enjoy the video. Hope it helps you out. Like always, please like and subscribe. Till the next video. Bye.